Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss what IELTS writing is. Actually, IELTS exam there are 4 subjects: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Among these 4 subjects, the most difficult subject is IELTS writing. Mainly, IELTS writing we can divide into 2 parts: IELTS academic writing and also IELTS general writing. Right. IELTS academic or general, both test normally 1 hour test. It is 1 hour test. This academic test 1 hour test, general test 1 hour test, as I mentioned. This academic 1 hour test, there are 2 parts. Part 1 of academic 20 minutes part, and part 2 task 2 of academic 40-minute section. Task 1 20-minute section, we call it information graphic. Information graphic, we can identify bar chart, pie chart, line graph, plan, map, diagram, table, process and flow chart. Altogether 9 concepts you can meet under academic task 1. Each of this block you get 20 minutes time. And general task 1. General task 1, we call it letters. Letters are 2. Letter part 1, personal letters and official letters. Again, official letters into 2. One is semi-formal letters and also full formal letters. Mainly, there are 3 types of letters. First one is personal letter, second one is semi-formal letter, third one full formal letter. Normally, section 2 general, section 1 general 20-minute test, and section 2 of academic and general both, we call it essay writing. We call it essay. Mainly, there are 4 types of essays we can meet in this exam. Academic essays and general essays, both 40-minute tasks. It has 4 essay types. Academic and general, both 4 essay types. What are they? Opinion essays, discussion essays, double question essays, and also hybrid essays. Now, I will show you these sections one by one. Right, let's move to now to understand academic and general IELTS writing papers separate. Now you can see IELTS writing, there are two papers, IELTS academic paper and general paper. Now you can see, when compare this, this is IELTS general paper, this IELTS academic paper. Academic and general both papers, normally you can see task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is about 20-minute task and task 2 40-minute task in general. And academic also, task 1 20-minute task and task 2 and 40-minute task. Right. Now this general paper, task 1 is letter writing, task 2 essay writing. This academic task 1, information graphic. This pie chart, bar chart, line graph, plan map, diagram writing, one of that you can meet here. And this is one of the essay coming. There are 4 essays types open: opinion, discussion, double question, hybrid essays. But all 4 not coming. There are no options. Only one essay coming. The given essay you must write. Okay. Now let's see these essay types. These are the 4 types of essays you can see. In the world, normally there are 2 types of basic essay and tertiary essays, tertiary and advanced essays. These tertiary essays, normally there are 4. What are they? Opinion, discussion, double question and hybrid essays separately coming. All of these 4 types of essays open for IELTS exam, but all of these 4 you can't see in the same paper. One of these you can meet in the exam. Now what I can do is, now I will explain all 4 types of essays one by one. Now you see opinion essay. Normally IELTS essay mainly made of 3 blocks. One is, first one is background, second one is question, third one is demand. Background, question, demand, all these 3 together called IELTS essay. Mainly, all the IELTS essays are as known as tertiary essay. This is opinion essay. Then how can you understand the essay type? Here there are 3 parts, no? Background, question, demand. Always question part will help you to understand what the type is. Right here you can see to what extent agree, disagree, or agree and disagree, advantage, disadvantage. This type of essays we identified as opinion essay. Right, let's move to another one. We call it discussion essay. Now even discussion essay you can see background, question and demand. This question part you can see discuss both these views and give your opinion. And also sometimes you see discuss both these views, right? That discuss both these views with opinion concept you can meet under discussion essay. Now third essay type, let's discuss, right? This is the model called double question essay. In double question category you can see background, question, demand. Special thing on a double question, normally reason, solution, causes, effect you can meet in question part. It means the question part of double question made of mainly 2. Reason, solution or causes, effect. Always for all these 4 essay types, last part means demand part always fixed. In the demand part only you can see reasons and example. Now let's move to last part of the essay in IELTS exam. We call it hybrid essay. Actually main 3 type of essays available in the exam. One is opinion, discussion, double question. 2 of these 3 together we call it hybrid. It means opinion and discussion, discussion and double question or opinion likewise. 2 of these 3 together we call it hybrid essay. In different ways you can meet this hybrid. However, in this question part you meet 2 options. Here you can see one is from double question, another one is from opinion. That is why we call it hybrid essay. Now understood, there are 4 types of essays you can meet in IELTS academic and general. All 4 types of the essays you can't meet in the same paper, but one of these 4 you can meet in the exam. Right. Now we can move to academic task 1. Academic task 1. We call it information graphic. Information graphic, and it's made of normally 9 components. What are they? Pie chart, bar chart, line graph, plan, map, diagram, table, process and flow chart. All together 9 concepts you can meet. All these 9 or few of them, more of them, some of them you can't meet in the exam. Only one option given in the exam, the given concept. Based on you need to write your answer. These are the options. Option 1. This is pie chart. This is bar chart. This one line graph. This is plan. This is a map. This is diagram and table, process and flow chart. These are the 9. What are they once again? Bar chart, pie chart, line graph, plan, map, diagram, table, process and flow chart. 9 concepts you can meet in IELTS academic task 1. This task 1 academic you can get only 20 minutes. Now let's move to final part of general. General part 1 you known as general letter writing. Mainly as I mentioned there are 3 letter types. What are they? Personal letters, semi-formal letters and full formal letters. Now I can give example. This is personal letter. In this personal letter, mostly your receiver will be your father, mother, brother, sister, your close blood relation or your friend. Right? This type of letters we call personal letters. In addition, you can meet semi-formal letters. Semi-formal letters, special letter system. This is not full formal letter and also this is not full personal letter. In between this personal and semi-formal concept, we call it semi-formal letter. Now let's move to well-known, very famous letter type. We call it full formal letters. In the full formal letters, normally you write letters to your your professional bodies, or the receiver will be professional body, or sometimes your banks, your department, and your minister, principal, bank manager, like this type of receivers. Base letters we write, we call it full form letters. Normally, full form letter we start with what? Dear Zero, Madam, and also it ends with normally yours faithfully. Then according to the letter type, starting point and end part completely differ. Now, I thought you understood what IELTS academic and general writing structure. Right, finally what I can say, academic and general both writing papers, each 1 hour test, both papers divided into section 1 and section 2, section 1 20 minutes, section 2 40 minutes, and general section 1 20, general section 2 40, altogether 20-40 1 hour test. Now actually after completing this, you can pass this exam without any hesitation, right? Finally I can say, not only learning about academic and general part 1 and part 2, but also you must study marking criteria seriously. If you want to get band score 8, 9, you must completely base this marking criteria completely based on task response, coherent cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. Most of the students, they write IELTS task 1, task 2 answers without having proper idea about this marking criteria. Then even though they expect band score 8, 10, 9, they would get normally score 6 or 6.5. Therefore, we keenly advise to you, before starting writing academic and general task 1 and task 2, seriously learn about marking criteria. Then we can meet with another video how to understand marking criteria.